I'm Jaedyn, and this is a Cricket Txtm8. Right now, if I go to camera and I scroll down, I can go to ringtones, and there I can download different songs for a ringtone. It's really cool because you get to preview it. So it's really cool to be able to download songs as your own ringtone.
Is it easy, JC?
Yep. As I said, all you have to do is go to camera, go down, go to my ringtones, press get new, and then you can choose from what's hot, top 10, hip hop and rap, a lot of different choices of songs that you can do. You can search for different songs that you want and download them.
Awesome. Thanks, JC.
Welcome.